if you want to present your work to customers, colleagues, or classmates in a more professional and engaging way, then you should consider creating an assembly animation in Creo Parametric. In this example, we will use a pneumatic dental drill with a planetary gear system, and the assembly is available in PTC's educational resources. Okay, so let's start by creating our exploded views. We're going to manage views or view manager here. Create a new exploded view, v1, and edit the definition by moving the parts. Let's say something like this, and save this view and copy this exploded view and name this new exploded view E2. Go to it and edit this definition now by moving this part. Okay, save, copy E3, go to this E3, edit definition, this ring gear, save this, copy E4, edit definition. Now these planetary gears should be translated around somewhere, and save this and copy E5 and E5 is for the sun gear, should be somewhere around there, and save this sun gear exploded view and copy E6 the definition. This is for this part inside, and I think this is the last one. Copy this for the last one, E7, and edit definition, move this part somewhere around here, and save this. Okay, so the exploded views are done, and now you can go to orientation and create the first orientation when we have unexploded, something like this. And then create and zoom like this, and create a new view and zoom something like this. Doesn't really matter, you can play around for yourself and find the best views. So start like this, and then like this, and then like this. Yeah. When you're done with your views, you can go to application, animation, and time domain. You can, I don't know how many seconds I'm going to do it, but frame rate 16, and frame sequence. Start by unexploded, and then you explode everything, and then assemble it step by step by moving everything back to its position. So moving backwards. E6, what? E7, E6, E5, E4, E3, E2, E1, and then unexploded. Let's see. Everything looks fine. Maybe the first step should be a little bit longer. And then 9 seconds here. You can move it like this too if you want. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2 seconds for the explode everything, and then assemble everything step by step. And maybe make it, the time domain should be 9 seconds, and or maybe not, 10 seconds is good. Let's let 1 second be nothing, just, and let's work with the views. The first view should be the 0 second start by this first view, and then the second view should be somewhere around here when this goes in don't know, something like this. Apply, and the last view is somewhere around here, E2, E1, let's see, here, and apply and close. Let's see the result. Boom, 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 boom. Looks fine. You can play back if you want, and move the speed, and do it better for yourself depending on your goals and animation, what you want to animate. So please consider liking and subscribing if you learned something. Thank you.